Working on a 88 Dodge Ram half-ton pickup. This is a 355 gear, and the spider gears were worn out. Had a lot of play, a lot of clunking noise. You can see the wear on the pins from the differential fluid not being changed. And these gears are just tons of slack in them. So we're cleaning the old pickup up, clean old truck. It's a customer of mine's, and next time you see it all, this will be nice and clean. What I'm going to do here, I left it over here, and there's my tea bucket I'm working on. That's a big block over there, a small block, I'm building for the tea bucket. Get some videos on that for y'all. Best thing to do is just get all this so tarnished. Hit this thing with some brake clean. You kind of see how. See them numbers? But anyway, y'all get the idea. That brake gun clean goes pretty quick, but just clean it up as much as we can. See all that sludge in there? But I'm gonna get to work, and I'll update y'all when I get it all back together. I've got all these spider gears out, and now I'm gonna put some new ones in there. See the pinion. But these gears still look pretty decent, the main gears. But y'all check the backlash on them. No shop dog. Peace out.